Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change Facebook add friend option to a follow button. Facebook is an application used to connect with people online. However, when a Facebook account is created, the follow feature will be disabled by default. People who find your account will only be able to add you as a friend and will have no option to follow you. Now, if you are someone with a lot of friends on Facebook and do not wish to add anymore, you can simply use the steps I suggest to change the add friend option to a follow button. So let's get started with the process right away. Firstly, open Facebook on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. If you have already logged into your account, you'll be presented with a homepage called Newsfeed. Click on the hamburger menu at the right corner of your newsfeed and scroll to select Settings and Privacy. Now, among the options, tap on Settings and you have to look for the setting change that says how people can find and contact you. Once you locate it, tap on the setting and you'll see the question, Who can send me friend request? Change the default answer, that is everyone, to friends of friends. Then go back to the settings by clicking on the arrow icon once again and select followers and public content. Select the option that says who can follow me and change it from friends to everyone. Now, to make sure that your changes have been saved, go to your profile and click the View As option. According to the device you use, the settings may vary, so if you are an Android user, follow the steps that's shown on the screen. This will show you your profile from a perspective of an outsider. I hope this was a helpful video.